Flora.
Yes, babe.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
How long are you going to keep doing this to me? How long would you keep starving me of sex?
Come on, baby. Are we still talking about this? I mean, I thought we'd been through this time with our number. And I keep telling you the same thing. We can't do this.
Why?
Because you need to do the right thing.
And what is the right thing?
You need to pay for my...
But I've tried. I keep trying. I've tried and I can't try anymore.
You have to try harder. Talk to my uncle, meet him, try to convince him. He's a man like you. Tell him that you really need to wife me and he should accept my bride price. Keep talking to him. Do something. I
am tired. I can't keep doing that. Okay? I can't keep wasting my money, my time, my energy on your uncle. And he's just deliberately pushing me away.
Then continue. Keep persuading him. Persuade him. He knows what it means to be with a woman in the house without sex. He knows what it means. Persuade him, talk to him, baby. Listen, I really wanna have sex with you.
Then let's have sex now.
No, you have to do the right thing. The right thing should be done.
So,
it is an abomination to have sex.
Okay, what do you want me to do now?
Talk to my uncle.
But I've tried. He wouldn't let me.
I can't do this. The best thing for you to do now is to go to the restroom. Check off.
Really? Yes. Listen, I don't have time for that. I don't have the energy to keep begging you or your uncle. Do you understand me? I want to have sex right now.
Use the bathroom and check off. No, don't touch me. No, don't touch me.
Listen,
don't approach.
No, I have to have sex.
No, you can't. No.
What? Eh? Wait. Samson, what kind of rubbish is this? See, enough is enough. Enough is enough. You have to do something that will pain her. Let her feel the same thing you are feeling. You are a human being. You're asking me, what can you do? What kind of question is that, Samson? Are you not a man? Huh? You see, it's like you don't want to listen to me. Wait, I'll call you back. I'll call you back, please. I'll call you back. Huh? You're asking me what to do. A woman, you just got married. She cannot allow you to touch her. What kind of life? What kind of... Me? If it is me now, nobody can try it. I will take it by force. Even the Bible says that the violence must take. I will take it by force. No, because there. Like a naked girl now.
Sweats can never be in vain. My sweats can never be in vain. My sweats can never be in vain. My sweats can never be in vain.
Why is my husband not back yet? And he left the office before me. Should have gotten home by now. Before now. What is going on? Where could he have gone to? And he's not taking my calls. What is going on? I hope he's safe.
My sweats can never be in vain. 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 Nothing is.
Babe, are you just coming back home by this time? My goodness, you're drunk again. What is going on? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to us? When did we get to this point? What is going on? You're drunk. Come on, you can't keep doing this to yourself. You're hurting yourself. Why? Do you want to make me a widow? Why are you doing this to us? Why are you doing this to me? Please, you need to freshen up and eat, okay? You must be tired.
Get off me.
Baby, you smell of alcohol.
I need to freshen up and eat. Eat what? Eat you? I'm not hungry. Get out.
Baby. When did we get to this? You don't want to eat my food. When did we get to this? You know what? Just relax, okay? I need to take you upstairs and
Get off me! Who the hell do you think you're deceiving? Me? You can't deceive me. You're hurting me and you're playing the victim. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? I don't want to eat your food, your stupid food.
Can I at least take you upstairs?
Fuck you.
You might sleep. Let me just help you. You might hurt yourself.
My sweats can never be in vain. 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 Nothing is hidden.
Listen, Flora. Have you not punished this guy enough? For crying out loud, he's your husband. And you are his wife. So I don't know what is preventing you from giving him whatever he's asking for. Let me even ask you, is it a crime?
If it is a crime, yes, it is. Of course it is. That I should give him what he's asking for. And by that you mean I should what? Sleep with him? Really? Me? No, come on. I won't do that. It is forbidden. I can't do that.
So since you're not ready to do all of this, why don't you just step out so that whoever that is ready can come in and get married to this guy? He's not getting younger anymore.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am serious because you don't have to be selfish.
Tochi, are you being serious right now?
I am being serious.
That I should leave my marriage and let another woman come in? Are you okay? Can you hear yourself? Are you sensible at all? What kind of advice is that? Eh? That I should come out and let another woman come in and reap where she didn't sow? Seriously? I thought you had something better to say. Obviously you don't.
Really? So this is all you have to say? I thought you had something better to say. Listen, you have to take my advice. Stop hurting that young man.
Keep your advice to yourself till you find yourself a husband.
Alright, see you. Okay, see you.
My sweats can never be in vain. Inachumo, Napa, my sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa Popana, Ineyomo, Neyogi, Inachumo, Napa.
Hi. I'm good. How are you? I've accepted. Meet me at the usual spot, same time.
My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa Popana, Ineyomo, Neyogi, Inachumo, Napa. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa Popana, Ineyomo, Neyogi, Inachumo, Napa. My sweats can never be in vain. My sweats can never be in vain. Ineyomo, Neyogi, Inachumo, Napa. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa Popana.
Yeah, come in.
Tochi. Tochi, what are you doing in my house? I mean, you didn't even call me that you were coming. What is going on? Babe, what is my friend doing in my house? You brought her to my house without my consent? Tochi.
Listen, this is my house.
Oh.
And because it's my house, it now belongs to you. Yes, every part of it.
Thank you. I like it.
Okay. So please, at this point, I really need some clarity. What is going on? Make it clear to me. I need to understand. First, you brought my friend to my house, and yet you couldn't even say hello to me. What is going on? And you're here hugging my husband. What is going on? Please, make it clear to me. Say it. What is happening?
Flora, can't you see the handwriting written on the wall?
Obviously, I can't see anything.
Okay, then I'll explain to you. So this is Tochi. Come here. Tochi is my wife. My new wife, actually. She has come to replace you. She has come to perform her wifely duties. Those duties that you refuse to do. Have I made myself clear?
I see. Yeah, why not? Was that too hard to say? I mean, you are welcome. Indeed. You're welcome. I mean, you should have said that a long time ago and save us the stress of, beating round the bush.
Don't touch me again.
Of course not.
Babe, can I take you upstairs, please?
Yeah.
Alright, get your bag.
Hold on. You listen to me. For the while you're here, you need to comport yourself and know your damn place in this house. Am I clear? Know your place in this house.
Flora, are you jealous?
Why should I be?
Alright, stay away, because she's here to take your place. She has come to replace you.
My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa Popana, Ineyomo, Neyogi, Inachumo, Napa. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa Popana, Ineyomo, Neyogi, Inachumo, Napa. My sweats can never be in vain. My sweats can never be in vain. Ineyomo, Neyogi, Inachumo, Napa. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa Popana. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Worry first,
Hi. Okay, food is served. Come on, sit. Let's dine. Yeah, food is served. Okay, shall we eat as one family?
Sorry, can you taste the food?
Yeah, let's do.
It's okay.
Yeah, I don't trust you. Taste it.
You want me to taste
I
it?
don't trust you, I just said that. So taste the food.
Okay, I will. I will take a little portion from each plate. Starting from you, my most trusted best friend. Tastes good. Here we go, my lovely husband. Sumptuous. Shall we? Come on, eat up.
Hey, I need some privacy.
So you want me to leave?
Yes, you need to leave. Go with your food.
Okay, sure. Then I will leave. Bon appetit.
Hey, take your food.
I'll come back for that later.
My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain.
Marital, what says your time now?
Papa, this is after 8.
After 8. And you have not given me my breakfast. Marital, this is after 8. You have not given your father breakfast. What is your problem?
Papa, we are still preparing for it.
You are still preparing for it. If it is school fees, you be the first person to wake me up from sleep. Papa, my school fees, my handout. Since then, you have not even given me one sheet of your result to know whether you pass or not.
Papa.
Okay, now tell me, what is the capital of Anambra State?
Papa, I know it now. Okay.
Okay, because you are in Anambra, that's why you know it.
Papa, I know it.
You know it. Come on, guys, give me my breakfast. And now listen to me. I am giving you 1 month to get married and leave my compound. If you fail to do that, I will carry you and that's all Obiekwe. That's where you know how serious I am. Come on, get out of my house. Walk all day.
Nah, I want to talk to you.
I hope there's no problem.
Flora called and said that the husband is maltreating her to the extent that he brought in another woman into their matrimonial home.
And why is she complaining? I told her at the initial time that I don't like that marriage, but she insisted that she must marry something. That even I, Ijeze, cannot stop her. So why is she complaining?
Nani, is that what you're saying? Eh? Why are you talking like that? Eh?
What do you want me to say? Hey, Abigail, what do you want me to say? Flora said that marriage is for better, for worse. So let her carry her cross. Because happen can't weak. Please.
Nani, is that what you're saying? I don't want anything to happen to my daughter.
Flora is a grown-up. She's old enough to take care of herself. Eh? She's old enough to take care of herself.
Nani, why not call her? Eh? And hear from her, or better still, go to the city and see what is happening in her home.
I will never do such a thing. I will never. What am I going there to do? As my in-law as what? Eh? As my in-law as what? What am I going there to do? Please, leave me alone. I want to rest. I want to rest.
I will leave you to rest. I will leave you to rest. But I don't like it.
If you don't like it, go and hit your head on the wall. Let me rest. I'm going to tell Amara to hurry up and prepare that food. Each time trouble here and there. In Yama.
There is a phone call from Flora, informing me of your recent attitude and was still bringing another woman into your matrimonial home. How true is that?
My boss, it's a long story. I honestly don't know how to start, but I promise to cut it short. For 8 months, my wife, Flora, won't let me touch her. She won't perform her duties as a wife. Her reason is her bride price has not been paid. So sleeping with me, it's against her culture, her tradition, and she's indirectly telling me that we're not married. I have done everything humanly possible to ensure that I do the traditional rites, but her uncle wouldn't let that happen. He has sworn to make life difficult for me. I am married, but I'm still single. Look at me, sir. I'm a young man. I do not want to die before my time. Sometimes I go to work and come back really stressed. Sometimes I feel like I need to relieve the stress. I need to bond with my wife, but that's not happening. And I also do not want to cheat on her or go out to sleep with prostitutes. So I feel the best thing to do is to get married to another wife.
In your imprudent adventure of getting another woman, are you intending to marry her as a second wife?
My boss, I'm in the process. I'm trying to get to know her better, and I'll see her parents if need be. Yes.
Perception.
My boss.
I've always talked to you about the precepts of life. Take things easy. Talking about women. Women are always functioning with their feeble minds. Sometimes when you look at it deeply, you will see that you cannot live with them, yet you cannot live without them. However, I will call Flora and ascertain why she's doing what she's doing. Nevertheless, take things easy.
That's fine, boss.
Easy does it better.
That's fine, boss.
Fine. Would you like anything?
No, I'm fine. Fine, boss. Thank you.
Fine?
Yes.
Relax, I'll call her.
Yes, boss.
Rita!
Chilekanjo, Mazijisi, you want to tell me you left your home, brought this woman to my house to disturb the peace of my family just because of this nonsense you are talking about? Eh? Because of this nonsense you are talking about, that is why you came to disturb my peace in this home. Don't you try it again. Don't try it again. Please, don't. Okay,
Machi, what did I just hear you say? That my husband and I are here to talk nonsense. We came here to tell you and your husband that your son is maltreating our daughter Flora. To the extent that he brought in a strange woman into their matrimonial home. And all you could say is that we are here to talk nonsense. That's not fair. That isn't good at all.
Abigail, are you not talking nonsense? that my son brought in another woman, is it a problem? Is he not a man? He is the owner of the house. He owns your daughter. He owns the house. And as such, has the right to do whatever that pleases him. He is ready and ever willing to marry as many wives as he wants to marry. What is your problem?
Enough of that rubbish.
Eh?
Enough. How can you be talking to our in-laws in that manner? Eh? How can our son bring in another woman into his matrimonial home and you are here supporting it? Eh? Let me ask you. If I bring in another woman into this house, how will you feel? You don't want to talk. Just look at your life. Machi, get inside the house. I said get inside the house.
I should get inside the house.
I said get inside.
I should get inside. I will get inside. But let me remind the two of you. My son is a man and the house is his house. He has every right to marry as many wives as he wants to.
Machi, I said get inside the house before you see another side of me.
Nonsense. Eh? You come here to talk rubbish.
Get inside the house.
I am going inside.
Get inside.
Me, the two of you. You will see more. Nonsense.
My in-laws, I am very sorry for everything. Please, sorry for my wife's attitude. That is not her character. I don't know what came over her. It is alright, but I promise you, I am going to look into this problem. I will call my son and find out what is the problem with him. I'm going to look into the problem and make sure that it is settled. Please, I am very sorry for everything.
Well, Chebukwe, I've heard everything you said. Please, talk to your son. Because I wouldn't want to hear this kind of story again. Else, I will force our daughter Flora to quit the marriage. Not imagine that you people did not pay her bride price. See, this thing that is happening now is one of the reasons I refuse to collect bride price from you people. Because I wasn't sure of this marriage. Please, talk to your son. Talk to your son.
It's alright, my in-law. It's alright. I promise. I'm going to take care of everything. I will handle it. You don't have anything to worry.
Just imagine your wife talking to me anyhow, saying that Ijeze is talking rubbish.
I have apologized.
Can you hear that?
I have apologized, Ijeze. Please forgive her. It's alright. Thank you.
We have to be on our way.
Hello, Flora. Flora, you have suffered that man. He is your husband. You have to treat him as his wife. What do you mean you will not? Listen to me. If you do what you are doing and allow this marriage to collapse, I will wash up my hands. What do you mean he did not pay your bride price? When he came there to pay your bride price, your uncles did not comply. What do you want him to do? Now he has brought another woman into the house, you are complaining. But you started? Okay. Do your wish. God and man know that I have tried everything I could to help this situation. Do your wish.
Nai, Biko, Gwagodim, what do you have to say about this complaint that Flora's people came here to complain the last time?
What do you want me to say? You heard Ijeze here said that he didn't want our son to marry Flora. That Samson insisted, and that was the reason he refused to collect bride price.
I did not hear anything say I heard Ijeze. Was I here when he said that?
But you just heard it. So I can't do anything. Had it been they collected the bride price, I would have known that Flora is my son's wife. Huh?
Every time You are so comfortable. I don't know what to do. I can't do anything. Your son's house is on fire and yet you don't know what to do. Don't worry, I will handle it my way. I am going to that city to know exactly what is happening there.
You will go to which city?
To that city, to my son's house.
Imagine. Don't you ever step your feet out of this house.
Says who?
Says me, your husband.
Why, if I may ask?
I owe you no explanation. I am man of this house. And whatever I said stands.
You are the man of this house. You are the man of this house. Then act like a man. You will not. Act like a man. You don't know what to act. You don't know what to do. You will not do anything. Let me tell you. You don't know what to do. Then allow me to do something. Say I should not step out. See me go. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I cannot do anything. You are sitting down here.
Come and leave. Let me see.
Oh goodness, where is this lazy girl? Flora! Flora!
Yes, what is it?
This is my husband's clothes. And and mine too. So wash them. Wash them. I mean, wash them very clean, okay? I don't want any stain.
Are these hands, are they for fancy? No. Is your brain roasted? Are they fried? That you can't recall that we have a washing machine in this house? That you want me to wash your clothes? Are you sick?
Oh, really?
Are you okay?
So you're not talking back at me? Really? That's fine. I can see you don't want to stay. Baby! This thing, she's insulting me simply because I asked her to wash your clothes. She called me a desperate woman. She insulted me.
Is that true?
Can you imagine this desperate fool? Are you okay? That I should wash her clothes? No, tell me. No, tell me to turn water into wine as well. Not only to wash your clothes, tell me to turn water into wine.
And what's wrong with that if you do the laundry yourself?
Okay.
What's wrong with that? If she asked you to do the laundry, then you should do it. Yeah. What's wrong with that?
You want me to do this?
Yes.
Samson, you want me to wash her dirty clothes?
She's my wife. She's been performing her conjugal duties, the ones you have refused to do. So, you should listen to her and give her that respect.
So for that reason, I should wash her clothes?
Mm-hmm.
They are mine. He asked you to wash her husband's clothes. Like do the laundry. It's English language.
It's okay. It's fine. Sure, why not? I will wash
Let's go.
your clothes.
Make sure you get the bucket, okay? Wash them very well.
There's a washing machine.
No, she should wash them. I
With
don't
her
want
hands?
the washing machine. Yes.
Oh,
With
okay.
your hands.
Alright, let's go, baby.
Nonsense.
Let's go.
Trust me, you're not gonna like the end of this. Shall we bet?
Baby!
The purple one is really dirty. Check the color. You
I
see
noticed.
how?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure it's clean.
Yeah, sure. Well, what about your dirty boxers and your panties?
My sweats can never be in vain.
Hey, Flora. Flora.
Yes.
Let me have the key. Key. Give me the key to the car.
Why? Why should I give it to you?
What stupid question is that? Give me the key.
I don't understand. Why should I give you my car key?
Your car key. I don't understand. Give me the key to this Benz, this blue Benz now. Give it to me.
No, I don't get it. Make it make sense. This is my official car, given
Your
to me by the company. Yes.
Are you all out of your mind? Are you stark raving mad? How did you get the car? Who asked the MD to give it to you? Me.
Samson, please.
How did you get the job? Me?
I don't care.
You don't care?
I am late for work.
Listen to me. Give me the key.
There is no way I am giving you my car key. It doesn't make sense.
Listen to me. If you want to drive, go and take the bus. Hey, I don't want to get...
No, please,
listen,
don't,
give me the car key.
Don't get me started.
Hey, stop.
Something,
Stop,
please.
stop.
I'm
Just
late for work.
Remove the...
You're hurting my
wrist. Give it to me.
You're hurting my wrist.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. If you want to go to work, go and take the bus. Okay? Or you tell your village people to buy you a car. Your mother and your father. Rubbish. Baby, come. The car belongs to her now. Here. This is your car now.
Oh,
okay?
my word. Baby, you got me a car?
Yeah, it's a Benz. And listen to me, I'll get you more. Do you understand? Because you deserve everything beautiful.
I know.
I love you.
I love you more.
Come here. Alright, don't let her touch it anymore.
Never.
Okay?
I know.
Alright. I'll do everything for you because you deserve even more.
Oh.
Do you understand? You deserve the good things of life.
I know, babe.
I love you.
I love you.
You wanna look at it?
Yeah,
So
sure.
yeah, take a look at it. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh my word, that's a Benz.
You love it?
I love it.
I know you love it. It's pretty.
Baby, it's so pretty.
It's yours now. And don't you ever let her come close to it.
Yes, this is mine.
Come, baby, let's go inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, don't let her touch it.
Never.
Don't let her go close to the car.
Why?
Do you understand me?
Yes,
it's
baby.
yours.
It's
and
mine.
It's yours forever.
It's mine forever.
I know, right? And I'm going to get you more.
Oh, that's nice.
Because I love you so.
My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa mapana, chimepwana. Ineyomo, ineyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa mapana, chimepwana. Ineyomo, ineyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats.
I want us to talk. Can I sit?
No, you can't see it. I'm sorry. And I'm not deaf. So say what you have to say and get out.
So the thing is, I've not really been happy. Sam, you've been treating me with so much hatred. And it's unfair. This wasn't what you promised me. You promised to love and care for me, no matter what. How did we get here? All of this. How?
Yes, I promised. I promised to love and care for you. And I kept to my promise. I've loved you. I've cared for you. But what have you given me in return? Nothing. The house is becoming boring. You can't even give me children. You want me to grow old and die and go to my grave without having kids. Is that your plan? Now listen, and listen very good. I'm going to see Tochi's people. I intend to finalize the traditional rites so I can bring her into this house officially as my wife. So brace yourself. You heard me right.
No. You can't be serious. Wait a minute, Sam. Is this really what you want? Huh?
What? What stupid question is that? Is this what you want? Hell yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want. And if you're done talking, just get out. Get the hell out.
I just hope you know what you're doing to avoid mistakes. Tochi will never forgive you.
Excuse me, are you threatening me? Was that a threat?
No, it's not. It's just a call for you to sit tight.
My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa mapana, chimepwana. Ineyomo, ineyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa mapana, chimepwana. Ineyomo. yogi, inachumo, nama. My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. Ine yomo, ine yogi, inachumo, nama.
You sent for me. What is this about?
Open it and stop asking stupid questions.
A sack letter. Why? I mean, what have I done to deserve this? Come on, Samson. Samson, you can't do this to me. Fine. I understand that we are having issues at home, but you shouldn't bring it to the office. It shouldn't affect our working relationship. It is strongly wrong. Samson, please, I beg you. You can't possibly do this. You know the condition of this country. You know how hard it is to go in search of a job. Samson, please. This job is very important to me, and you know that. You know how important it is to me. Please don't do this to me, I beg you. Samson.
Do I remind you that I control the affairs of this company? If anything affects me, it affects the entire company. And I don't care if you can't find another job. I suggest you go back to your miserable parents in the village and ask them to get you a job. How about that?
No, Samson, please. You need to think twice. You need to have a rethink. Please, Samson. This job is very important to me. I beg you. Don't do this to me.
Get out.
Samson, nobody knows what the future holds. Samson, please, I beg you.
I said get out.
My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never.
Samson, this is the right time to expose you. You think you are wise. You want to push me away and eat the money alone after using me to make the money. As I am leaving the company, you will also live with me and you will end up in prison.
My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain.
I'm disappointed in you. I am so disappointed in you. After all the orientation I gave to you concerning the company and the GM, you went hellfire and bizarre, doing things on your own. And now the car and other incentives have been stripped of you. What are you going to do about this?
Sir, can I just...
I don't want you to say any word right now. I am so disappointed in you. Can't you pay attention to simple instructions? Now you must go to his office and apologize to him. That's all I want right now. Now leave my office.
Sir, you don't...
I said get out of my office. Your presence no sets me. Like right now. You can be so callous. What insolence?
My daughter, you know, since I came to this house, we've not talked. I want to know you, your family, and what you do.
Well, you already know my name.
Yes.
My parents lives abroad, America. My daddy owns an oil well in Port Harcourt, and that makes him to come to Nigeria often. And as for me, I'm a graduate. I'm waiting for my youth service. I happen to be in the second batch.
Okay.
So after that, I'll be managing my daddy's oil company.
Really?
Yes, that's all. There's nothing much to know about.
Yes, a lot already. You are from a very rich family.
Yeah.
But I'm worried. You know these rich people, are you sure your parents will allow you marry my son?
Oh, Mama, why not? Listen, my daddy loves me so much. I'm my daddy's favorite, so he will do anything to make me happy, absolutely, okay? You don't have any reason to be worried.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure everything is fine.
If you say that, that means as soon as my son gets back, we'll start planning towards your marriage. Do you understand? Yes, now, I like you already, so what are we waiting for? And my son also, so we'll start planning for the wedding.
Okay.
Then, there's something I want to ask you. Don't be offended I ask you. Since you came to this house, how many times have you done that thing with my son?
Mama.
Yes, tell me.
Are you joking?
I want to know.
Okay, Mama. I'm going to tell you because you asked. And you're a woman too. You're going to be my mother-in-law. You're a woman like me.
Listening, tell me.
Well, I've stayed about 15 days in this house. And we've done it for maybe 40 times.
40 times is not enough. What is 40 times or 15 days? 40 times is not enough.
Do you want your son to kill me before he marries me?
We will not kill you. As we're planning for this marriage, don't you think it's better you get pregnant first so that you make him hasten up the marriage plans? Do you understand? Yes. If you do it often, that is when the chances will come for you to take him.
Really?
So, yes. So now, as he's coming back today in the afternoon for break, you follow him. On Atalonko, bomba to bomba. Before you know it, I will get changing. Water. You go see so.
I don't think I like that.
I am telling you, you want that witch, Flora, to take him before you?
No.
Or don't you want to be your husband's number one?
Yeah.
That is the only way to make him love you more. Do you understand? Take him for him, then we'll rush everything. He becomes your husband. And you know already you are my favorite daughter-in-law. And that will, so that is what you're going to do. Inside bedroom, inside the parlor.
Mama, please stop. I will do everything you want, but please stop talking.
I will, but please take my advice. It will help you.
Thank you, Mama.
You know I need my grandchildren.
I will do everything you want.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. Flora, you heard what my son said. So after all this while, he got married to you, you do not allow him to touch you as your husband. Then what are you still doing in my son's house? What is your mission in this house? That your uncle refused to accept your bride price. Is it my son's fault? Tell me, is it his fault? Hey, shut up your mouth. Hey!
You don't allow me to say anything.
Please, I don't even want to hear your voice. Because you have nothing reasonable to say. You don't have anything reasonable to say, so just shut up your gutter mouth. Samson.
Mama.
You say this girl here is the girl you want to get married to?
Mom, point of correction. Your wife here. Because she's already my wife.
She's already your wife?
Yes. Even the Bible says that he that finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from God.
I heard that.
She has replaced Flora. She has been doing everything Flora has refused to do.
You mean everything?
Absolutely, everything.
Okay.
Bedroom duties, and I'm satisfied.
Okay. I'm happy about that. My daughter.
Mama.
That means from my son, you are my daughter-in-law.
Yes, Mama.
And you are ready to play the role of a wife. Treat him nice. Respect him.
But Mama, I told you she's doing that already.
Yes, Mama.
I'm sorry about
Mama,
that.
I love him and I've been treating him nice, pampering him as my husband.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
I love the sound of what I'm hearing. Then, Samson, we don't need to waste any more time.
Okay.
We have to go see her parents.
Mom, that is done already.
You are not getting any younger.
That's done, am I right?
Yes, baby, you're right.
That's done already.
So we have to fit today to see your people.
Okay, Mama, I'm ready.
Look at that.
And
I mean, get out. We don't even need you here. Continue with what you're doing. I love that. Because I need my grandchildren. I need grandchildren. Eh? Did you hear what I said?
yeah, we heard you. We heard you.
Please continue. I love what I'm saying. I am still here.
Mommy, yeah, I know. I'm just trying to tell her.
You're here.
Hi, Mama. I went to your room to, check on you, but you weren't there. So, what would you like to eat so I can quickly make it?
Why are you disturbing me this morning? You want to prepare food for me? As what? My daughter or my daughter-in-law?
As your son's wife, what do you want to eat?
I don't need you to prepare anything for me. Don't prepare anything for me. When my real daughter-in-law comes, she will prepare something for me to eat.
Mama, let me make you a dish. Let me prepare something that you would like.
And I say I don't want.
Oh, Mama.
My dear.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was your night?
Perfect.
Okay.
Mama, what would you like to have for breakfast?
Rice, plantain, and fish.
All right. I'll get them ready for you.
All right, dear. I'm waiting.
Okay. I hope you slept well, Mama.
Very fine, yeah.
Okay, Ma. I get that.
All right, dear.
Okay.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. These plans in your heart. Yeah. Are you sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna work? No. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. These plans in your heart. Baby, are you sure it's gonna work? Oh, yeah.
My daughter, you are here.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning. You look so weak and you've not even prepared breakfast. Why?
Mama, are you the one saying this? You're supposed to know that your son could not allow me to have, even if it's 30 minutes sleep. It was riding me all through the night. I couldn't rest.
That means the both of you know your job very, very well and you're doing it well. There's no problem. Have enough rest. My son and I will go and see your parents to do the needful. All right. Just have enough rest. Let me go to the kitchen and get something to eat for myself.
I hope your son will not kill me before you see my people.
No, now. Why are you saying that? There is nothing like that. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Just have enough rest. Let me get something from the kitchen. Your husband is waiting for you in the room.
Mama, can't I have a little rest in this house? Do you and your son want to kill me? For Christ's sake, I am somebody's daughter. I don't want to die. He keeps riding me. He keeps hitting me off and on. I am tired. I need to relax, Biko. Let me gather my strength.
Tochi, no one is killing you. Nobody is killing you. Remember, we don't have time. There is no time and we have a target. You know that. Please, don't disappoint yourself, my son and I. Hurry up now, go to the room and meet him. He's waiting. Hurry and go. Should I hurry? Please, hurry. He's waiting. Don't keep my son waiting, please.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with this Blasio.
Mama, I am worried. I can't take it anymore. It's becoming totally unbearable for me. I want Flora out of this house. She can't be sharing my husband and my space. Except you don't want me to be your daughter-in-law.
Please take things easy. I told you, I personally will throw Flora out of this house as soon as we are done with your bride price. So calm down. Hey, this girl is pregnant. God, I beg. Let it be what I'm thinking. Are you okay?
Mama.
Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
Mama, I feel tired. Like, extremely weak.
Calm down. Me. You say what is wrong with you?
Mama.
Worry, let me see. Open your eyes.
Mama, my nipple.
It's hot.
Yeah, my nipple hurts. No, I feel pains.
I'm so happy, finally.
I've been throwing up. I think I'm having fever.
You are not having fever. You are not having fever at all. You are pregnant, my daughter. Yes, you are pregnant. And I'm so happy and grateful to God. He has finally answered our prayers. Yes.
What do you mean I'm pregnant?
I said you are pregnant. But if you doubt me, you can go to the doctor now to confirm it. Yes. You should, don't worry. Relax. Get yourself first before go. Please lie down. Relax. What do you want me to get for you? You don't need anything? You don't need anything? All right, I'm coming.
My sweats can never be in vain.
Are you happy? I'm happy.
What is it? What's the excitement?
Mama, you were actually right. But I doubted it. I am so sorry about that. Because the doctor just confirmed from my lab result that I am pregnant.
I told you. And you were doubting me. I said I know a pregnant woman when I see one. How many children do I have? I know.
Yeah, bro.
I'm so happy. Finally, God has answered our prayer.
Yes.
Hey. You know what? There is no more wasting time. As soon as my son gets back, also, I am happy I do. My village to go and do the marital rites. I am happy.
Mama, plus the white wedding.
That will not
Everything.
happen. Not under this roof.
Who is talking? Did you see anybody standing?
Not at all. Where are you?
Yeah, she is talking. Just imagine.
I am pregnant.
That is the message.
Like, I am pregnant. I am pregnant. Hey, pregnant.
I'm so happy. Mama, didn't see anybody talking. I did not see anybody.
I cannot see.
I cannot see anybody.
Well, I believe I have made my point clear.
Oh.
You see this marriage? It won't work. Not when I'm still in this house. Not under this roof. Not when Sammy is still mine. It won't work.
I've given you enough time. You don't even know that you don't have any space here again. You don't have any space here again, Flora. Please, it is better for you now to get up there, pack your things and get out of this house.
I believe I have made my points clear. I don't talk too much. Until then.
Hey,
I believe I have made my point
clear. See who is making points clear.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy, I know you can do this for me. It's nothing compared to what you do to others. Daddy, please listen. I don't want to lose him. I love this guy so much. He completes me. He's part of my life. If I lose him, everything is gone. I am literally going to kill myself. And I'm sure you will not want to lose your precious daughter. Dad? Ah! Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much. I love you. Okay. Oh, I'm sure. I know. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye, Daddy. Oh, thank God.
What did he say?
My father said that he is not coming. But he has given us his consent. He directed me to meet one of the Umana. Yeah, the leader of the Umana to go ahead with the bride price. He said he's going to instruct him on what to do, but he will be available for my trad and my white wedding.
That means he has accepted my son to marry you.
Of course, I'm my father's apple of eyes. So he won't do that to me.
Your father is nice, huh?
Yes, sir. Thank you. You know, my father is a very kind billionaire. Yes, you know, over there in America, it's nothing. Do you understand?
So that means your wedding will be
top notch.
Hey, my son.
Talk of the town.
Finally, my son is getting married to a rich daughter.
Hey. Of course, you can say that again.
I'm happy. Tochi, my daughter.
Yes.
Now that I'm going back to the village, please, I want you to be very careful. Take care of yourself and my unborn child. I don't want anything to happen to this pregnancy. Please, avoid this witch called Flora. Avoid her very well. You know how evil she can be. She might try to harm you nor the baby. Please, avoid her.
Okay, Mama, I've heard you. I will try to stay out of her way and avoid her troubles. But please, tell her to stay off my path. I won't tolerate that.
I will. In case she looks for your trouble, report her to your husband. Don't fight back, please. She can be dangerous and deadly. Biko, achọkwa m ka ihe mee nwa anyị bu n'afọ. Ọkwa ya ka m ezigbo mkpa. Biko. And ọzọ dị ka ibe abụrụ. As I'm getting home now, I'll talk to my husband. You know our plans now to go see your people. We will not take time in doing that. But please be careful and take care of yourself.
Okay.
Alright. I'll be on my way now.
My regards to Papa. Tell him I'll see him someday.
I will. If my son gets back, tell him I left.
It's okay, Mama. Let me walk here.
You don't need to. Just give me a hug. You know you are my favorite now. Don't worry, sit down. Just sit down, please. Okay.
My sweat can never be in vain. 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 My sweat can never be in vain.
Some people are jealous of me because I am pregnant. Like I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
Are you referring to me? Huh? Were you referring to me? You see, Tochi, ordinarily I would have given you a beating of your life, but because you were pregnant, I will just let it slide. If you are looking for someone to kill you, you go out there, there are thousands of things that could crush you into dust, but certainly not me. Keep your insult to yourself.
Ayebo. Some people can get pregnant. Listen, you can't do nothing. Yeah, you hurt me. I am not scared of you, but I promise you one thing. The moment you dare touch me, my rich parent will crush your entire life and your next generation to come. That is, if you have one. Try me.
You know you were worthless. You were desperate, a desperate little brat. That's who you are.
I know.
Tochi, you were my friend. I mean, I called you a friend. I tell you literally everything about myself and my marriage. What did you do? You stabbed me. But it's fine. Because I promise you that soon you will meet your Waterloo, and let's see who ends up in prison and who goes scot-free.
Oh, perfect. Because I don't pay attention to an empty threat, right?
I see. Yes. You call that a threat? Okay.
Ayebo. Oh, Tochi of the line. Find a way to get pregnant. Advise you.
Iche Bokwa. No, na bem dia. Imorije. Onwa gari mokadi. Na ga kemel. On a cribem.
Thank you for
where I can for go be maka.
It's all right. You are welcome to our house.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's all right. It's okay.
Eju e chikota if you wa mo. Anu go me if you go. Mu na nwanne nwoke anya anu ifu nuku. Aya bono nyunu chi maka we bia no kun ma ko kwa if you cook dem.
That is tradition.
Maka mada ha bowacha ila ka gol.
Oh man, I love
it. What did he say?
He's accepting from the cemetery. He wants to invite her.
Okay, he wants to invite us. Oh, chokolo. Oh, hanigo.
Oh, no better. Oh, na no cha nkai na so.
I am ebube do yola. If I am get aba bono anyone come odo often.
Oh, omela.
Tochi o. Nna mbiko bia na nwen ai nwen ndo bia.
Beautiful. You are lucky to have my.
So? Can I be a buyer?
Hello.
Yeah, bro. Childless. Come here, what? Eh? Only for the two? Yeah, no, what's na. I like cake. Never like again of Kagino and Kabuko Yanka, Kagino Yanka. Bill Cadina Muni. But I knew.
Yes, uncle. Yes, go ahead.
Now, I you walk what? I do good work. I do good work.
We're going to go. So we can go ahead and can go ahead.
What did they say?
They have accepted our offer.
They've accepted us?
Yes.
Okay.
They just want us to do whatever.
Do what we have to do.
Yes.
Like the traditional rites.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Oh, honey, Buchacha.
Once again, on our better, so when done our so I don't know. Which means, we are prepared. So we can go ahead and pay the bride price.
Makanam Coblin Meso. Odo Nun Makana, what a career. What a career, Keta. Abuwa Mua direct. Eh? When you call
being the uncle of the, we know that the
okay.
father is America.
Okay.
Unega say before ever. Unega say.
Ora say. Onya anyị na-alụ agwagwa anyị na-aba ya n'obodo oyibo.
Yeah, she told us her parents live abroad.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So we are here to meet with you
as
so
the uncle.
You can represent her parents.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, okay, boy.
It's all right.
No,
it's okay.
So do you understand me? I said we know that you're trying to, stand in for her parents.
On a all man na papa ya na abroad. All my one na papa ya si ka gị nwa nọchite anya.
Okay.
Yes.
So about who? Like I said before, ask him na ebube mba. Edobi ola. You dan neku. Anya afugo ifo n'ejiji bia. Imagine for only kwado. Ikokom.
Okay, we put ya na efere na ka anyị merezi ihe dị na.
Izi ndị na jewote efere akita ya bụ okwu. Mana
but you people didn't bring red wine for me.
No problem. We'll bring everything. Don't worry.
Okay. Let me go and.
It's all right.
It's so bad. Sorry, sir. Is that your son?
Ona Juma, onye asi ebe a pụọ, ọ gị nwa mụrụ ya.
Ọkwa n'ijibik ebe afọ, ebe a. Dere m na
Alumel.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Vagabond. The boy be vagabond.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with these plans in your heart. Yeah. Are you sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna work? No. Falling in love with these plans in your heart.
I don't understand. Tochi, what is the meaning of this? Tochi, what are you doing? Are you okay? Are you mad? You just came out and you saw food and you started eating. Are you sensible at all? Tochi, I went to the market, came back and I made this food. That's nice. And now you think you have monopoly over it? Are you mad? No. Tochi, I am talking to you. What is the meaning of this now?
Meaning of what?
No. Why this disrespect?
So
what is it?
No, I can't eat in my own husband's house.
So if you
can't just say I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant.
Try this.
So because you're pregnant, you feel you can't cook. Then Toshi, stop. Please, stop.
You want to be unfortunate. Don't upset me. Drop this plate.
Are you stupid? No, are you dumb?
No, you're the stupid one here.
What's it?
Can't you say I'm pregnant? Are you so blind?
You're pregnant,
No,
so
so
what?
Hey,
you
hey.
expect me to go into the kitchen and
Hey.
Pregnant, so what?
What's going on here?
It's your stupid, who is your babe? It's your lazy stupid wife. She can't even allow me to eat. She's insulting me because of food. Come on, my friend, drop this food here. Look at her.
Can you imagine?
What's going on here?
Babe, I went to the market, came back, prepared this meal, dished it out for me to eat. Went inside to get a cup of water, only for me to come out and she's eating my food.
And
telling
so-
me that she's pregnant, and because she's pregnant that she has monopoly over every food in this house.
Yes.
What's that supposed to mean?
Did you buy the food with your money? Whose food is it?
Okay. Let's have it.
Is this your house? It is my money, right?
Is that all you have to say?
Yeah, that's all I have to say. Can't you see she's pregnant? Why are you so wicked? Huh?
Because she's pregnant, she wants to swallow everything in this house.
Are you this wicked? So you don't want her to feed? She's very hungry. She's carrying my child. You need to let her eat whatever she wants. Don't touch her again, or you have me to contend with.
Samson, I made this food.
I don't care.
Myself.
And so, because you made the food, I should go into the kitchen and cook.
Babe,
I can see you're very
I wanna
stupid.
Hey,
Are you stupid?
I know.
I'm talking and you're still eating.
No,
Are you-
Flora,
There's something wrong with
my
your
friend,
face.
this is-
Don't even try me. Don't even try me. See, leave this.
Are you the shameless?
Hey,
You're
hey.
shameless.
Hello.
You're a
You're
shameless
shameless.
one.
You're a
You are
shameless
the shameless one. You're very stupid. Because I've been keeping you calm.
Baby,
Because I've been keeping you
slap
calm.
me.
Because
Heaven will come
I've been
down.
keeping you
Are you
calm.
alright?
Heaven will come down.
What's wrong with you?
You slapped me.
You're beating my wife right in front of me.
You slapped me.
Get out of this place. Get out.
Just like that. What do you mean get out?
Come
She will
back.
apologize
Come
to
back
me.
here. Come back here. How dare you slap her in front of me?
Yes, that's the man.
Don't you have respect? How dare you slap my wife in front of me?
A pregnant wife.
Have you gone nuts? Now apologize to her. What?
You heard me. Never.
What?
Never.
I said I apologize to her. Now.
Samson, leave me alone.
I said apologize to her.
Samson.
I said apologize to her.
Hello, officers. Oh, you and your team are already on the way? Oh, very good. Yes, I'll be waiting. Fine. They're close. What is wrong with that girl? How can she be threatening to stop the traditional wedding you are planning? Is she okay?
It's very unfortunate, sir. The truth is, she's not who she claims to be. And good a thing we sent her out of the company because she's actually a threat. You need to see the way she fought my wife.
And you allowed her live like that?
I dealt with her in my own way.
Oh, fine. Fine, that's nice. That's okay.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no.
Flora, I don't know why you girls of nowadays don't listen to the voice of the elders. I warned you when you wanted to embark on this journey called marriage, but you refused to listen to me. Now look at where it has landed you. Disgrace. Tell me what have you gained in this whole thing? Tell me.
Please, Uncle, please. I am tired of this your endless blame. What is it now? What is it? Since I came back to this house, you've been blaming me for one thing that I don't know or another. Won't I just rest? Allow me to have peace now. I just returned with headache, with swollen head.
What he's saying is the truth, but you refuse to listen to him because of your stubbornness. Now look at where it has landed you.
Mama, please, there is nothing wrong with my life. My life is perfect. Nothing wrong with it.
No, my
Your life is perfect
daughter.
with this your head. With this bandage on your head. Your life is perfect. With this bandage on your forehead. Huh? Okay. Is Samson's parents aware that you're back to this village?
Me, I don't know. Maybe Samson must have told them. I don't know.
He must have told them. Okay. See what you will do. You will pack your things and go and stay in Samson's parents' house.
No, Papa, no, she's not going anywhere.
Rebecca won't thank us. Rebecca won't thank us. Me we have to worry. And look at you. You're only living the worst. What's the name of those boys that are coming here disturbing me? What is that their names? Boniface and Paul. That's the kind of people you are mingling with. The other one is the pedal pusher. The other one, Pawan Tapa. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed? See, let me tell you something. If I see any of them here talking about marriage or blah 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 blah, what I don't understand, I will skin you alive. Because nigga can say I'm not more than mother. I'm not more way. You have to Papa, wait. Okay. Listen to me, Flora. You will pack your bags and go and stay with Samson's parents. I don't want them to see it as if you pack your things and run away from their son's house. So you have to pack your bag and go and stay with them. If I wait for them and I did not see them, I will come and meet them there myself. Then I will talk to them in a way and manner they will not like. Not money that they have not paid your bride price. No problem. I will handle it.
There's no problem. I've heard you, Uncle. If you are sure that this is the only way that will ensure peace, there's no problem. I'll go.
It's okay.
Oh, no problem.
My daughter, how are you doing?
Papa, I'm getting better. It's just this constant headache. Migraine.
It will soon relax.
Flora, I ask you again, please. What are you still doing in this house? What?
I am in my husband's house. You've been asking me to leave. Leave to where? Where do you want me to go to? No, answer me. Where do you want me to go to?
To your poor parents' house. Go back to your parents' house. Because you know very well there is no longer marriage between you and my son. So why are you deceiving yourself? Why? Why are you deceiving yourself, Flora? Go back to your parents' house.
Machi.
You know you are no longer married.
Machi, stop talking to her like that. Samson has never told me that Flora is no longer his wife.
Nani, Samson told me in the city that he's no longer marrying Flora, and she knows about it. She knows.
But he never told me. So wait patiently. Let him come back to this house and say that himself. Then I will know what to say. But for now, leave her alone, please.
Udogachi,
I alone.
You are your husband's house. No problem. But please now go and get ready. We are going to the farm right now. Yes. Are you not in your husband's house? You are. So let's go to the farm.
Me. Follow you to the farm. Me, Flora. Follow you to the farm. Mama, it will never happen. See, it will only take the gods of this land to appear in person and convince me to follow you to the farm. Otherwise, I go nowhere. If you are so in need of laborers, go out there, get one, pay the person, and let them farm for you. What is it? Why can't I have peace in my own husband's house?
Hey, Enokwa, you now have the guts to challenge me. I talk 1, you talk 10. Hey, Flora, you now have the guts to challenge me. There is no problem. There is no problem. I will not disturb you again. Let my son Samson come back. I will see how you will be in this house in the next 5 minutes. Mama say, Okwangi. No, stay in your husband's house. Relax. Pass off, Mama.
You're not even concerned about my situation. You want me to follow you to the farm with my condition.
Which nonsense situation are you talking about? Which nonsense situation are you talking about? Who caused it? Rubbish. Please, get prepared and let's go to the farm.
Yeah, hello? Can you hear me? Yeah, hi manager, how are you? I've been trying to reach you. Okay, so are you having a meeting? Okay, I'll be quick. I'm trying to access my account, but I can't. You know I have an event to prepare for, my traditional marriage. Yes. I'm trying to pay for some things and I can't access my account. Why? What? I have been blocked? Someone blocked my account? Who? Are you? Okay, I'll be there shortly. I'm coming there right away. Okay. Where's that Jezebel?
Samson.
Papa, where's Flora?
What is it?
Where's that fool? Where's she?
What happened?
Where's Flora, Papa?
What happened?
Papa, there's fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain.
What happened, Samson?
My son,
What happened?
you are here.
I'll get him.
And why are you shouting? What happened?
Where's that Jezebel?
Jezebel.
Papa, it's a long story, but I'm going to make it short. I wanted to use some money. I tried to access my account, but I could not. So I called my bank to find out what the problem is. Guess what? They told me that my wife got a court injunction to freeze my account.
Why?
For what reason?
I don't understand. Papa, I don't understand. What nonsense!
Just
She froze my account. Why?
calm down. She is here. Let's hear from her.
Who the hell is she?
Please, calm down, my son. Calm down.
Who the hell is she? Because I married someone else.
It's okay.
What nonsense?
Calm down, Samson. Calm down.
Who the hell does she think she is?
Yes. Okay, I'm waiting.
Hello?
I am waiting, please.
Flora, my son just told me something now. Is it true? I'm talking to you, you're answering call.
Just let me know when you're around.
Are you out of your mind? Why did you freeze my account? Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad?
I'm waiting for you, okay?
Give me that phone.
No, leave her.
He will touch
Why,
your phone.
why did you freeze my account?
He will touch your phone.
My son, leave her.
Why did you...
Please, leave her. Leave her.
Leave her for what?
Why did you freeze my account?
Please let me hear from her, please.
Hear from who?
Papa,
She's
hear
not
from
even
her?
answering us.
Allow
Oh, you don't believe me?
I believed you. Please, let me.
You don't believe me?
I believed you.
Sorry, who the hell do you think you are?
No.
Don't
Please,
talk
Samson.
to me.
Who the hell do you think you are?
If you want to
Samson,
talk
please.
to me, you talk to me like you're responsible.
Who the hell do you think you are?
Samson, please. Is your father talking to you?
Leave him alone to deal with this girl.
Papa, warn him. Mama, warn him.
Who the hell do you think you are?
Warn him.
Please let me.
Let me go.
Samson.
Mama,
Papa, I'm going to kill this girl. I'm going to kill this
Let me
girl.
hear from her first, please. Let me hear.
Please. Hear from her. Why would she go and report to the police? Why would she do that? Why would you do that? And she's still making call though. She's still making call.
Are you still coming?
Hello? Where? Oh, thank God you're here. Hello, sir. How are you, sir? Thank God you're here. You're welcome. I was about to call you. Sir, this stupid girl. You see the reason I fired her? She has been manipulating everybody. Can you imagine I called my bank to get some money to do something for the company and they told me that my account has been frozen. And when I investigated, I found out that she's the one responsible.
Samson.
Sir.
Your time is up.
My time where, sir?
I am here to take my daughter home. Her time with you is over.
Sorry, sir. Who's your daughter, sir?
Flora, of course, is my daughter, my only child.
How's that possible, sir?
I have everything planned out. Just to get something.
Sir, what did you plan, sir? You had everything planned out. What, sir? I don't know. I'm trying to understand you, sir. What do you mean, sir?
Flora, as you're aware that we have flank of establishments here and overseas, we're happy that you are back from UK after completing your master's degree. We want to say congratulations once again.
Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome home.
Thank you, Daddy.
We thought it wise that you return. The reason I asked you to come home straight as against your initial plan to go somewhere. Each time you need to take over in my capacity in the office.
Daddy, you know I am not well grounded in this business.
I was expecting that from you. But you'll be under the tutelage of my general manager. The young man is good at his job, but with caution, he is not a nice person, I must say this. But because he is so good at his job, I decided to retain him. What he does is embezzle my money with some other staff. And that he has been doing with some staff. They team up, and whenever someone in the office tries to trade his part, he will set him up and get him fired. This has been going on for donkey years, but like I say, I had a plan of bringing you into the company so that when you properly are grounded in the office, then I will fire him. But the top secret here is that he must not know, not anyone in that conglomerate must know you're my daughter. It's a plan, should I say a well-planned project to make sure that our office and the company stands the stability that it requires while you learn the precepts in that office. I want you to be careful with him and know the tricks in the office, since I'm not always around. Am I in line, sweetheart?
Yeah, honey, you said it all. But I want it to be a top secret. It's very important so we can be able to achieve this great idea.
Okay, it's okay, Mom and Dad. I've heard all you've said. Yeah, I'll try my best. I'll keep it a secret.
I'm so proud of you. You're welcome home.
Thank you, Dad.
Yes, let's talk about.
Baby.
You make mention of a project you have at hand.
Okay, so it's about a project that I've been working on. Yeah. So you look at the graph.
I'm saying, who did this job? I think he's a perfect engineer. I'm seeing the longitude.
Honestly, Mom and Dad, I am not lying. Like, I mean, can you guys imagine? Me, Flora. Hey, good.
You mean my general manager wants to date with you?
Daddy, honestly, you needed to have seen the way this guy was professing love to me, that he loves me, how he can't breathe without me, how he wants to spend the rest of his life with me. I was like, what is going on?
Wonders will never end.
What is going on? Make it make sense. From where to where? We just met. We just... Oh my goodness.
I have a plan.
A plan?
What plan?
Well, Flora will marry Samson.
I don't understand, Dad. What do you mean I should marry him? How? What are you trying to say? I don't get it, Dad.
What do you mean by that?
Well, I have a web I'm spinning. I would want both of them to go into what we call fake marriage. Only that we will not get the difficult maneuver that Samson has been doing in the office. When Flora gets in there as a wife, they will not have any reason to hide nothing from her. Then we will get the evidence that we need to get him fired in that office, and of course know what has been going in there without us knowing it. My idea, the thing quickly ran into my mind.
It's a good one.
You must have to play along. I'm spinning something. But we must save our family and save that company.
It's a good plan.
Okay, let's say I agree to marry him and he requests to see my parents. What are we going to do about it?
We'll get to the bridge. We'll cross it. This is it. So, Ichie, you've listened to the strategies that I've put in place. I want you to act along and be very careful about this. And be rest assured of the 1 million naira I am promising you and the rest of others. I want you to know that this is a deal for all of us.
Chief Patrick.
Yes.
You said the young man's name is Samson.
Samson.
And you want me to play the role of your daughter's uncle.
Good.
Then my wife will play the role of your daughter's mother.
That's right. That's right. And one more important thing. Do not accept the bride price that will come up. Very important.
No. See, what I have to do is to relate with my wife and tell her everything we discussed. And also my daughter. I will tell her everything. Can I help you maybe mad here? You say you're going to give me 1 million naira.
1 million naira, and I'm waiting for your account.
Okay, don't worry. Before we finish this now, I will give you my account number. I will give you my account number. No problem. It is done. It is done already.
All your fraudulent activities in my company are all recorded, and I have the evidence. When my daughter came back from the UK, I saw that you fell in love with her. I had everything planned out. I planned that she come into your life, and so it happened. So to get evidence of how mean you've been in my company.
But sir, I've always
you
been
have
a
a
good...
case to answer with the police.
Sir, but sir, but,
just wait a minute.
But sir, hold on,
Hey.
sir. Put to that point, sir. Sir, can I explain myself?
Flora.
But sir, why would you play a prank like that on me?
Please, sir.
Yes, officer.
Hey!
Sir, hold on.
What do you go, officer? Sir!
Wait, go there. Go back.
Hey! Sir!
Stop touching him!
Please, sir. Please, sir. You don't have to do that. Please, sir. You will not do that.
The car keys in the car?
Yes, sir. Let me talk to my wife.
You are not talking
Hey!
to anybody.
I'm sorry.
You are not saying anything.
Sir, let me talk to my best friend.
Can I talk to her, please?
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Shift back, don't.
Sorry, Flora.
Don't.
Can we have a
Please,
conversation?
my only
please?
son. Please help me.
See, I'm
Please.
sorry for everything,
Don't
but
involve
there's a way we
police.
can handle this.
Sir, please.
Listen, I know I hurt you, but listen.
Please, sir. I'm your best friend.
Just
She
keep
will-
quiet. Keep
she
quiet.
will listen to me.
Just
She's my
keep
best
quiet.
friend.
I'm sorry.
Please,
about
help me.
everything.
Leave my
I
only
promise
son.
I'm
Please,
gonna
sir.
make it.
Hey, please, don't do this.
It doesn't have to go back.
Please.
Can you let me talk to her? Can I talk to my wife? Can I talk to my wife? Who's your wife?
Hey, oh, I
Tochi, my daughter. Tochi, please. You see this cry you're crying at this time will not solve any problem in this situation. I have to be honest to you. This crying will not solve anything in this case now. So please, what I need you to do now is hold yourself. You see, Flora has collected everything. The car, the house. So if you should go back to the city now, where are you going to stay? You don't have where to stay. So, and you remember, the money they said your husband took from the company is too big that we cannot even afford to pay. So at this point, this is where we need your help and your father's help. So you need to call your father now to come down and help us. If your father cannot be able to come, please let him send the money to you so that we can solve this problem and release my son from the police cell. He has been there for days now, you know. Please.
Where will my father get the money from? My father don't have any money. My father don't have any money at all.
I didn't hear what you said, right? Please, can you explain? I don't understand. What did you say? I thought you told us that your father is a rich man based in America and has an oil company in Port Harcourt. Is that not what you told me?
Mama, I lied to you. My father don't have any oil company. My father only sells palm oil in Congo market. That Congo market in my village. My oil company is oil company. The most important is that it's oil. My father sells oil.
Wait, don't be offended. Please wait. You lied. Then who is your father, Tochi? Who is your father?
My father is that man you saw that day when people came to pay my bride price. And that house is my father's house, so we don't have any other house. It's my father.
Momo, Momo. Tochi has finished me. This girl has killed me. Your father's house is the place we came to pay your bride price.
Exactly. That house is my father's house.
That is your father's house? Yes. The man we pay to is your father.
Yes, it's my father. He cannot my one and only father.
Hey, you can't be saying this, please. Nani. Can you imagine? Did you hear what she said?
You should not mention my name.
Unu Marital unu serielu. Unu sikwe baharitu.
Don't just call my name at all. You said you want your son to marry from a rich family. And he has done that for you. Then why are you crying?
Is that all you could say for your own son? Please. Is that all you could say now?
Just keep it to yourself, eh?
It's not fair, it's not fair, it's not fair. It's not fair. Hey, God. Don't you have finished me? You have killed my son. You mean you are a nobody? You are a poor wretched fool. And you deceived my son and I.
Mama, so you wanted your son to marry from a rich home. So I had to lie for you to accept me to be your daughter-in-law. It's not my fault.
You have to lie.
Yes, people don't want. Nobody wants to marry the poor. Nobody wants to marry the poor.
You want to lie to endanger the life of my son. Look at it now. How do I do this? Who will help me out of this situation? Who will rescue my son? Just look at the whole thing now. Look at it. You caused the whole problem. Your father is a common palm oil seller in your import market. And you deceived me that your father is an oil that owns an oil company. How could you have done this to my son? How? How? Now who is going to rescue my son? How, Tochi?
Who is going to rescue Samson, my husband? Who is going to rescue my husband, Samson? Samson. Samson want me to suffer. Samson, do not be well with you. Who is going to rescue my husband? What would I do? Mama, I don't want to suffer with this pregnancy. I cannot suffer. People should go and look for money and take care of me and my...
If I slap you there, don't if I slap you, you will regret ever coming to this family. Are you mad? Go give me. You know, I talk rubbish about pregnancy. I'm talking about my son's life. And you're here talking rubbish. I said, shut up your mouth. Are you mad? Shut up that gutter you have the gut to talk. Don't worry. I will so deal with you, eh? I will so deal with you. Useless.
Mama, you say you want grandchildren. You don't want grandchildren again. This is going to need your grandchildren. Mama, your grandchildren will not suffer.
Don't worry. You will see what I will do to you in this house. And for you, you call yourself a man. You call yourself a husband. And your son is in police detention, lavishing on your hair. You could not do anything. Nah, it will not be well with you. It will not be well with you if you don't do anything to help my son. It will not be well with you.
Flora, so this is your house, like your parents' house. Girl, you're full of surprises, and you've been pretending all this while as if you are from a poor home. Are you kidding me? Girl, do you know you can actually kill someone and bury him without any traces?
I mean, why should I blow my trumpet? In life, you should always learn to keep it simple. Simplicity matters a lot. You don't expect me going down the streets announcing to the world that I'm this, I'm that. It doesn't make any sense. We don't own this life. We don't own it. And yes, of course, Samson is a thief. A real thief. And I thank God for the grace to withhold all his excesses. I took in everything just so I could get enough evidence to nail him with. And I am proud of myself, girl, because I did it.
And I'm super proud of you too.
I know you were. I'm proud of myself indeed. So please, I need you to relax, feel comfortable. This is your home. Enjoy, eat whatever you want. I am here for you, okay?
That reminds me. How about Gozie?
Who is Gozie again?
Come on, you started again.
I beg you.
Gozie, I know you still may be wondering why I have invited you again in my house. I know that you have the part of shock, knowing that Flora here is my biological daughter. I trained her and planned this whole thing for a purpose, but that's by the way. I still want to reaffirm that you read math in the university.
Yes, sir.
Good. I've tried so many times to chilliflate your conscience with money, but you proved to me beyond reasonable doubt that you truly love my daughter. I want to ask you, what do you really need from my daughter?
Chief, your daughter and I have come a long way. I've known her for quite some time now. I love her so much. And even now, the love is stronger. Please, I want to humbly request that you give us your blessing. I want to marry her.
Flora, you heard him. What do you have to say?
Yes, Dad. Gozie has been my friend. Friends don't love us. I'm really glad to marry you. And I'm hoping you would give us your consent, like a go ahead order.
Do you have anything to say?
No. If you will give them your consent, to fulfill the promise they've made to each other. I will support them. The main thing to me is my daughter's happiness. Their happiness matters to me.
Well, I give my best. One more thing, which is the bigger picture. I want you to pay attention to Flora here. You will be under her tutelage, and she'll make sure that you are well branded in the company. You'll be working not just in the company, but now the company belongs to both of you. Let us not lose sight of the bigger picture. I am going to transfer the sum of 400 million into the company's account for smooth running of the company.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. Just stand up. Come on. Stand. Do this now. Let me just bless two of you. If I be your father, you will bear female children and male children. You know, my mother loved you so much, so you're going to do her proud by living happily with this young man. Everything good will come but your ways, and you will be prosperous.
Amen.
As I've been living happily with my wife, so it shall be in your own house. Nothing shall by any means harm you. May you go in peace and live in peace.
My sweat can never be in vain. 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 Nothing is hidden under the sun.